outside, but Keith came to the camper and said you have to come out and see the beach, the water. Oh my gosh, it's so windy, so cold. And he said the bridge was really pretty, the Mackerel Bridge and the moon. Oh my gosh, let's go take a look. Yesterday was completely brutal. So now we are at Tahquamenon Falls and it's a little chilly, but the wind has died down and we're hoping to have a nice hike together and see some falls.
Waterfall that we can get to. Oh my! Hey Mom, good thing that I wear my rain boots, because now I can go in the water whenever I want.
Okay. What are you doing? We're here at the Upper Tahquamenon Falls, and you'll find that up in the Upper Peninsula there's like a whole lot of nothing. It's just nature and it's wonderful. That's why we came here. But at the Upper Falls they have this like brewery and shops and ice cream and things, and they happen to have a truck that sold barbecue and like all things fried food, and everybody's in heaven. They got their little snack. Everybody was saying we're hungry and we don't know what to have, and there was nothing around, so we totally scored. This food is good.
And we got early dinner.
Okay, so what I didn't tell you, and that was not caught on camera, thankfully, after that last picture of my whole family on the log, yeah, the rocks are slippery when wet, and I slipped and fell in the water. So now my shoes and socks are soaking wet, and it's actually a pleasant day out, but my feet are freezing now. So we're gonna hike this trail real quick and hopefully see the Upper Falls. They're supposed to be really pretty and famous, so for their root beer type colors. So hopefully this will be worth it with my cold feet.
on the nature trail here. We're gonna take a left and go to the Gorge Boardwalk, which looks like it has 181 steps. We go up to the Upper Falls view, which has 94 more steps. So we're gonna get our workout in, aren't we? I know, I can see it.
Okay, so many people said the steps were worth coming down for the view, and they were not wrong. They are just beautiful. Check this out. Evelyn, how many steps were there?
Yeah, 157.
Oh my. All right, we made it back safely. Time for me to change my socks because my feet are freezing. And now we're going to sit around the campfire and enjoy some s'mores and just relax a little. Okay, so the good news is my shoes are dry. I put them in front of the furnace last night and they are completely dry. So I took a shower and my clothes fell on the floor and now my clothes are wet. So today's gonna be a good day. We are actually going to drive to Munising, which is going to be about a 2-hour drive. We're gonna hike some waterfalls, maybe find a cute coffee shop, find some good food, maybe eat a pasty, I don't know. So here we go on another adventure. First waterfall that we're gonna walk to is Wagner Falls, so hopefully this is worth the hike. It's actually a beautiful day. Okay, we made it to Pictured Rock. We're gonna go on a few trails and we're gonna check out some more of these beautiful colors and the water. It's actually pretty nice, just a little chilly, but it's good.
Hey, Vera, come here. There's some tasty berries over here.
Why do you want to give her berries?
Easy, I'll give her diarrhea.
We're walking along the trail and decided to take a look at the beach and the water and see if we can get a picture of the rock. And there's a little bit of the pictured rock back there, but the one that everybody takes a boat tour for is all the way over there. So I think we might, I don't know, try to get back in our car and drive down and see if we can get a closer look, because I really don't want to hike all the way back to there. That's gonna be a long hike.
I thought you could walk.
So I accidentally fell in the water yesterday while these girls chose to get their feet soaking wet on this day that it's kind of chilly. So yeah, they were just talking about how cold they are.
I'm not cold, I'm numb.
Oh, okay.
I'm cold and numb. Don't be fiddling.
We made it to Picture Rock. We drove around and this is incredible. So it goes so far down, but this overlook is amazing. The colors with the sun setting, oh my gosh, it is just so beautiful. I'm so glad we drove around to get this view. Don't get me wrong, the other view when we were on the beach was amazing too, but at least we're a little bit closer and it's so pretty.